Hi, my name is Ariel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be showing you the accessories that we bought from the store, and then I will be showing you different ways that you style these braids. These are actually knotless braids, and so there's no knots. They're bigger parts with smaller braids, and I braided them all the way down, and there's curls at the end, and they're basically painless. So you can style these right away without any tension or without it being painful, right? Does your head hurt? No, which is always a plus sign with her because she's tender-headed. So for the first item that I found, because her hair is green, I decided to get these ribbons. And I probably will be using either this one or this one. I don't know what style I'll be doing with them yet, but I thought it matched and it was cute. I also found this cute little black bow. It's kind of shimmery, like you can never have too many hair ties. I always buy these and they disappear. It's almost like socks in the dryer. So I bought extra hair ties. And then I bought colorful hair ties. And then I thought this was so cute. I actually found this at the Dollar Tree. And it's like a scrunchy hair tie, but it has a bow on the back. So stay tuned to see what styles we come up with.
Bye guys, thank you for watching. Happy New Year.